Welcome to Oxford Brookes Department of Sport. Today we're working alongside PMS Oxford. We've been contracted to supply and install 23.1 cubic metres of anhydrite liquid screed. Today we will be using the XTR binder, which is the strongest and most durable of all of the anhydrite liquid screed specifications. Today's liquid screed is being installed as a subfloor in the Oxford Brookes gym and weights room. The reason for the XTR binder being used is because it has a higher structural integrity, making sure it's more durable throughout high usage. This product is known for its unmatched strength and durability. This ensures a robust foundation capable of handling intense usage. We will be connecting the XTR directly onto the concrete substrate beneath it. This means we are using a bonded liquid screeding application. Throughout the entire area of 350 metres squared, we've had to install acrylic primer over 2 days. This primer increases adhesion and also stops the substrate beneath sucking too much at our new liquid screed install. This decreases the chances of cracks and creates a properly bonded surface. To distribute the liquid screed, we're using the CP80 pump provided by CES Hire. This 25-litre diesel pump with a hopper capacity of 200 litres makes today's 350 metres squared ground floor installation a breeze. This CP80 diesel pump can distribute liquid screed 70 metres in length and 50 metres in height. Once the liquid screed has been installed into the correct position and depth across all our levelling tripods, we then use our tamping bars to release air bubbles and achieve a smooth finish across the entire floor. From start to finish, using Givlon XTR and our CP80 pump, we make sure all of our installations are as efficient and reliable as possible. Interested about hearing more about our liquid screed solutions or need expert advice on your next project? Then contact our team today.